Wagwan, welcome back to my channel. Yeah man, so in this video I'm gonna do simple curry crab recipe. These crabs are not the typical Jamaican land crab. Those crabs are not in season, even though you'll find people eat them throughout the year, but I only eat them in the month of May, which is the correct season for them. However, these crabs are different. Not sure what's the name, but they were caught in the sea. Yeah, and they are available throughout the year. All right, so I clean the crabs, remove the bark, and wash out with a wash out, and I use brush to wash the claws and everything like that. And then I, wash again with water, a little bit of lime juice, and then drain. And now I am seasoning with salt, all purpose. Lorry's season salt, no MSG. Me say me love the seasoning bad. Yeah man, so I am also using ground black pepper. 2 teaspoons of Indian curry powder. For the fresh herbs, I'm using scallion, onion, add pepper and garlic. Slice the onion and then roughly chop the scallion, the add pepper and the garlic. So I'm going to add that to the crab, give it a good stir, and I'm going to allow it to sit on the countertop for about 15 minutes. Just to allow the crab to soak up all the flavors from the spices, the salt, and the fresh herbs. So I'm going to watch Justice League. And then after Justice League finish, I am going to go into the kitchen and cook the crab because by then it will be just right, soaking up all the flavors and everything like that. I did not use any pimento seeds because I find that pimento seeds is too much of a strong, have too much of a strong flavor for the crab. The crab have like a light natural flavor. Yeah, so if I use seasoning with too much of a strong flavor, it will kind of mask the taste of the crab. And I want to taste the crab, so I just use a few spices and I did not use pimento seeds. I put a big enough pot on low heat and added about 2 teaspoons of vegetable oil. Now I am adding 2 more teaspoons of Indian curry. So in total I use 4 teaspoons of Indian curry. So I am going to allow the curry to cook in the oil for maybe a few seconds or so. I am adding also a little bit more of the all purpose. This is optional. Now I am adding the crab pieces into the pot. Well, I call them crab pieces. And the seasoning, the fresh herbs and everything I'm adding also. Then I'm gonna give it a good stir and cover the pot. And I'm not gonna add any water as yet. Just gonna allow the flavor to build at this point. So after giving the crab pieces a good stir, I'm gonna cover the pot and allow the crab to steam for about 2 minutes. After about 2 minutes, now I am gonna add enough water to cook the crab. I am gonna add about 3 cups of water. Didn't measure it, but based on that amount I'm looking at, it is about 3 cups of water. So I'm gonna cover the pot and cook the crab and I eat. I'm gonna cook the crab until the water reduces to gravy. The crab is ready to be eaten and I leave enough gravy because I'm gonna have the crab with roasted yellow breadfruit. The breadfruits are outside on the step roasting in a cool stove. So yeah man, so then you don't know so the flavor turn up already. I'm if I tell you, it's nice subtle. Yeah, the entire housing scheme supposed to know say me a cook crab. That's how it smell up the place. You see me? Thanks for watching.